Hi there, I'm Stephanie Janiga with Janiga Group Home Sales. So we finally hit summertime here in Michigan, thank God. And if you are a homeowner with a pool and you're looking to get your house sold, I've got 5 tips for you to help your pool area look like paradise and get that house sold for top dollar. So first and foremost is maintenance on the pool. You want to make sure that your pool is actually kept up well. If you've got cracked concrete, make sure to get that fixed. Take a look at the liner or just the area around the pool. Make sure that it's clean and that you don't have any debris floating around. Number 2, safety. Safety is really important. So one, you should have a fence around your pool. Usually that's required. Other people actually have like a cover that secures to the ground that adds extra safety features for it. And something else pretty cool that I've seen, if you've got little ones or little kids running around that you're kind of nervous that they're going to fall in the pool, there's cool little clips that you can put right on their clothing. So if the kid falls in the pool, an alarm goes off that's very loud. So those are really awesome things to take advantage of there. Number 3 is the season. So you're listing a house with a pool. You want to make sure that it's attractive to people. So make sure that you're getting it listed in the right season where you can have the pool open, the water looks nice and clean, you've got your patio furniture out. You want to let these buyers imagine themselves there. Let them feel like, oh, it's a nice hot summer day. I want to take a dip in the pool. I want to relax around it with some friends. They want to kind of see that environment and envision themselves in it. So number 4 is you want to brag about the features that you have. So if you have a gazebo or maybe a waterfall feature or a hot tub, you want to really highlight those items and show them off. And the 5th thing is you want to stage it to look like paradise. So first, let's take the kind of the cheap pool toys and get rid of those, store those in the shed or somewhere else, and bring out the nice lawn furniture. Maybe you have the fire pit out there, maybe you're gonna have a little outdoor barbecue grill. You really wanna kind of stage it for the setting and make it feel like a pool party. That's what most pool people are kind of going for. They tend to be fun people. A lot of them tend to have kids. They like to have people over to their house. It's kind of the place to be. So you wanna set it up to look like that. So I hope these 5 tips will help you with selling your pool house faster. If you need any help with that, give us a call today at 888-98-HOMES.